Have you ever felt like you're missing the AI gold rush? Everyone's talking about automation, passive income, and making AI work for you, but most people get stuck doing custom work, trading time for money, project after project. Here's the truth. The real game isn't selling your time. It's packaging AI automations into simple plug-and-play systems you can sell over and over again. Without meetings, without clients, and without burnout. Right now, people are quietly making thousands a month by selling tiny AI-powered systems online, just like digital products. Sounds like a dream? Stick around. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your automations into sellable systems, even if you hate selling and don't want to talk to a single client. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn AI, automation, and smart strategies into real income. If you're looking to build something once and get paid repeatedly, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Because what I'm about to share could change the way you think about making money online. All right, let's dive in. Here's the first thing you need to understand. You're not selling code. You're not selling tech. You're selling a transformation, a result. That's the secret. When people buy a product, whether it's an ebook, a course, or an automation, they're buying an outcome. That means your AI system needs to solve one clear, specific problem that your buyer is already aware of. If you get that right, the rest becomes so much easier. Let me give you a hypothetical. Imagine a small business owner, say, a local gym owner. He's overwhelmed. He gets tons of DMS on Instagram asking about class times, prices, and how to book a trial session. He doesn't have time to answer all of them, and he's losing leads. Now imagine you build a simple automation that does just one thing. It automatically responds to Instagram DMs using a chatbot powered by ChatGPT, sends class schedules, and links directly to a booking form. No meetings, no coding, just value now. Instead of offering this as a service where you have to set it up for each client, you package it. You record a short setup tutorial. You create a template inside make.com or Zapier. You generate the chatbot prompt with customization fields, and you upload everything to Gumroad, Payhip, or System.io as a digital product. Done. That's a sellable system. Let's call this Automated DM Booking Assistant. You can sell it for $29, $49, even $97, depending on how valuable the result is. Now here's what makes this powerful. You're not limited to one industry. You can niche down, replicate this system for hair salons, yoga instructors, dog trainers, even real estate agents. Each one is just a different packaging of the same underlying automation. And the best part? You build it once. Let me give you another example. Let's say you build an automation that takes customer feedback from Google reviews, summarizes it with ChatGPT, and generates weekly insight reports for a business. You could package that as Customer Feedback Analyzer. This is super useful for local restaurants, dentists, Airbnb hosts, even Shopify sellers. Instead of offering analytics services, you're selling a system that gives them clarity and saves them hours. All you really need to include is a quick setup guide, a walkthrough of the automation, either in a PDF or a short screen recording, the ChatGPT prompt you used, and a simple checklist to help your buyer get started fast. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a developer? Exactly, that's the beauty of it. With tools like make.com, Zapier, and ChatGPT, you don't need to write a single line of code. You just need to understand a use case, connect a few blocks, and package it in a way that feels easy and valuable. Let's pause for a second. Think about this. There are millions of small business owners, solopreneurs, creators, freelancers, all looking to save time, cut costs, and work smarter. They don't want to hire expensive developers. They don't want custom work. They want plug-and-play solutions they can use right now. That's where you come in. You're not offering freelancing. You're creating digital systems they can buy, download, and use, just like a Canva template or a Notion dashboard. Let's talk real quick about how to structure your product so it actually sells. There are three simple but powerful components. And once you understand them, you can rinse and repeat for any system you build. First, you need what I call the system blueprint. This is just a quick visual walkthrough of how your automation works. Nothing fancy. You can record your screen with Loom or any free screen recorder, walk through the steps, and explain what happens at each stage. Think of it as showing your buyer, here's what this does, and here's why it matters. You're not teaching tech, you're showing results. Second, you'll include the assets. This is the engine of your system, the stuff that actually makes it work. It could be your make.com scenario, your ChatGPT prompt, a Google form template, a Notion page, or even a pre-built Airtable. Basically, anything the buyer needs to replicate the exact automation you showed in the blueprint. The key here is plug-and-play simplicity. You want them to say, "Oh, I can set this up in 10 minutes." Next, you'll want to include a fast start guide. This is your onboarding piece, a short PDF or Notion doc that gives them clear setup steps, optional customizations if they want to tweak something, and guidance on what to do if they get stuck. No need to offer live support, just point them to an FAQ or a help page. Think of this as the instruction manual that saves you from answering emails later. When you combine these three, the blueprint, the assets, and the fast start guide, you're not just delivering an automation, you're delivering a real product. Something your customer can plug in, set up in an afternoon, and actually start using. And once you've got it packaged like that, it's time to put it on the shelf. You can upload your system to platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Podia, or even Etsy. Yep, Etsy allows digital downloads for business tools now, and it's becoming a surprising goldmine for this type of product. Just make sure you price it based on value, not complexity. If your automation helps someone save a few hours a week, or brings in even a few $100s a month, charging $49 or $99 is totally fair. You're not just selling tech, you're selling time, clarity, and results. And the best part? Once it's live, it runs without you. While you sleep, travel, or build your next system, this one keeps working for you in the background. That's where the real leverage kicks in. Still not sure what to build? No problem. Let me give you 5 automation product ideas you can literally start working on today, even if you're not super technical. First up, the appointment booking assistant. This one's perfect for service providers, like coaches, hairstylists, consultants, or mobile massage therapists. It handles the entire scheduling process automatically, confirms the booking, sends reminders before the session, and follows up afterward asking for a review. That means fewer no-shows and more 5-star feedback, all without lifting a finger. Next, the social media post generator. If your buyer struggles to stay consistent on social media, this system does the heavy lifting. You can build it using ChatGPT and Canva. They just enter a few prompts, and the automation spits out a week's worth of posts tailored to their niche. It's like giving them a virtual content assistant that works 24/7. Third, the lead magnet delivery system. This one's perfect for creators, coaches, and digital product sellers. It delivers a freebie instantly after someone opts in, then automatically starts a follow-up sequence via email. You can adapt it to any niche just by tweaking the messaging, whether it's a productivity cheat sheet, a recipe guide, or a fitness tracker. Then there's the testimonial collector. Every business needs social proof, but most forget to ask for it. This automation kicks in right after a service is completed. It sends a personalized message asking for feedback and stores the response in Notion, Airtable, or wherever they prefer. It turns awkward follow-ups into effortless, ongoing testimonials. And here's another one worth exploring. The invoice follow-up bot. For freelancers, agencies, or small business owners, chasing overdue payments is exhausting. This system detects unpaid invoices and sends polite, personalized reminders using ChatGPT. You can even let buyers choose the tone: professional, casual, or friendly but firm. It helps them get paid on time without having to play debt collector. Each of these can be packaged as a mini product and sold. No ongoing support, no meetings, just clear, outcome-driven systems. And if you're worried about standing out, here's the trick. Niche down. Instead of a generic review automation, make it review request system for wedding photographers. Tailor the language. Tweak the delivery. Speak to a specific pain point. Now you're not just another tool. You're a solution built for someone, and then that's what sells. All right, let's land this plane. If this video gave you an idea for your first automation product, I've got something to help you take the next step. I put together a guide that walks you through the process, from idea to first sale. Inside, you'll find a product checklist, 3 ready-to-use templates for make.com, and the exact prompts and onboarding docs you can copy and customize. You'll find everything you need waiting for you in the pinned comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss the next blueprint. Oh, and let me know in the comments, which automation system would you package first? Thanks so much for watching. And remember, build smarter, profit digitally. Let's go.